Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Vimeo Partner payouts for creator income, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Vimeo Partner payouts for your creator income, begin by logging in to your Vimeo account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. From the settings menu, find the earnings section. Click on the earnings tab to access your earning options. If this is your first time setting up payouts, you'll see an option to join the Vimeo Partner program. Click on the button to join the program. You will be prompted to review the program guidelines and requirements. Take a moment to read through these important details. Once you're ready, proceed to accept the program terms. Next, you'll need to provide your payment information. Choose your preferred payment method, such as PayPal or direct bank transfer. Then, fill in the required details, ensuring accuracy. After entering your payment information, check for any verification steps. Complete any additional verification prompts if necessary. For tax purposes, Vimeo will also ask for your tax information. Fill out the tax form provided according to your location and income situation. Once all information is submitted, review everything to ensure correctness. Finally, save your settings. Congratulations, you have now enabled Vimeo Partner payouts for your creator income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.